Hello everybody! Today we're going to start WordPress locally on our computer. First, download XAMPP. Install XAMPP with the default settings. It's easy. I have already installed XAMPP myself. Next, go to WordPress.org and download WordPress. To save time, I've already downloaded and extracted the WordPress files. Copy the extracted WordPress folder and paste it into XAMPP-HT docs. Open XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL. Then open phpMyAdmin. There, create a new database for your website. After that, open your browser and go to localhost/WordPress. On the setup screen, enter your website name, admin username, password, and email address. These credentials will be used to log in. Finally, use the username and password you set to log into your site. That's it. In the next video, we'll build a portfolio and apply this theme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.